Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always I'm super excited to be back to share another video with you. So today it is a requested video, and one of you sent me a message via Instagram. You wanted me to do a full review of the Speedy 35 in Damier Ebene. Thank you so much for sending me your request. This is actually the second time I'm buying this particular bag. The very first one I bought, I got it for myself, but a client of mine was looking for that particular bag. Because it actually accumulated a little bit of interest for me, I gave it up, aka I sold it to her. But this one was a nice surprise for me. My husband had traveled about the time of my graduation, so he was going to return on the day of graduation. So this purse was delivered to me a day before my graduation, so it was a nice surprise for me. I'm going to be sharing some things you need to know about the bag with you, like the size of it, the packaging, and everything you need to know. Alright, because it was delivered to me, this was in a very massive box, but I think this is the standard packaging for this particular bag or all Louis Vuitton product. Okay, the next thing that my bag came in was this one. It's kind of like a box where they placed the dust bag, and the bag was inside of it. So this is what it looks like. It's a lovely box. It's very solid, which is typical of many luxury goods. So inside this box, they actually placed this dust bag with my bag folded right inside. This is how the bag would normally come. I mean the Louis Vuitton Speedy, whether the 25, the 30 or the 35. This is the 35 in the Speedy bag, and it is the biggest. This one is actually a direct interpretation of the Keep All bag. The Keep All bag is the traveling bag. It's the lightweight traveling bag that looks exactly like this one. Alright, so they folded it right here like this for transport. There was no padding inside, but if you ever go to the store, they usually stuff it with padding so it can be well positioned on the shelf. So this is what it looks like. You can actually undo it like this on both sides. Taking it out so I can show you exactly how it is. This is what the bags looks like. I've worn it so many times since I got it, and I'm so grateful to have received this. It's very good for me, for my lifestyle, for travel, for going abroad, for work, for everything. It's really good for me. What I normally do, I do have this base shaper that I put inside my bag so it can retain the shape. Let's go into the details, the specifications, and everything you need to know. Alright, so this particular one will retail for 775 euros. 775. But if you get the one with the handle, the strap, the long strap handle, it retails for about 1,250. This is an entry-level bag in the Louis Vuitton range. So if you are looking for something to start your Louis Vuitton collection, I believe this one is a good one for you. So the length of the bag is 35 centimeters. I mean from here to here. 35 centimeters. The height of it, that is from here to here, is actually 23 centimeters. The width of it, how wide it is 18 centimeters. Alright, the height, the width, and the length. So the bag is made with leather on the stripe, which is right here. It's made with leather on the stripe, and also trimmings like this is made with leather. Trimming where the padlock right here is made out of leather, and all the trimming that goes all the way down is made out of leather. So the bodies of the bag right here is made out of coated canvas. So this particular canvas is called Damier Ebene. They have it in the monogram canvas, And they also have it in the Damier Azul canvas. Damier Azul canvas. So they come in 3 different kinds of canvases. This one is good because the handle is dark and it won't be showing any stain or anything like that, okay? So it also has golden metallic pieces. For example, the padlock is that golden metallic piece. Right here, the zip. The zip also is golden metallic zip. It's still looking very new now and very fresh. After a while, it becomes brassy or rustic, if you like. It becomes darker in tone. So it also has a zipper closure right here. Zipper closure, just one zip, and it has a padlock at the very end of it, right here. So that is the standard feature this bag would normally have. It has one inside pocket, which is right here. The pocket also has one zip right here, which is also made out of that golden metallic hardware. So inside of that pocket right here, you have of the materials the bag is made out of, which as I've already mentioned before. It is made out of coated fabric, the coated canvas right here, this exterior part. The trimming is made out of cowhide leather trim. It is made out of cow leather. So inside there they actually put that. You also have the padlock. You also have the padlock inside this little pouchette right here. So the bag is hand-held. This one doesn't have any long handle, but like I said from the very first time, if you want one with handle where you can wear on the shoulder, that one retails for about 1,250 if I'm not mistaken. It is very stylish. It is a very classic bag. I'll put a picture of me wearing this bag inside here. I've worn it severally to travel, to carry so many things. It is very strong. The bag has a dust bag. This is the dust bag. So anytime I'm not using the bag, I just store it away. I fold it in half like it came and I store it away. Inside the bag, you have the classic red interior. Right there, and it has one pocket. So that is what it looks like. This bag holds a lot, and this is how the entire body of the bag looks. This one was made in Paris, France. How to maintain this bag: ensure that you don't scrub your bag with any abrasive, anything you use to scrub any surface. Don't do it. If there's any stain, and that's why I really like this color. It doesn't show any dirt on it. It doesn't show any fingerprint or anything. If you want to clean it, use like a soft cloth. Make it a little bit damp, not wet, and use it to wipe off the body of the bag. That is how to maintain it. Because this is made out of canvas, don't leave your bag close to direct sunlight. It will make the leather of the canvas crack, and you don't want that for your bag. Also, don't store it away in a place that is so warm or overly warm, like inside your wardrobe. Even though I store it away, I store it in a place whereby it is some fresh air still comes into the space where I store all my bags. And also, don't put it near radiators or heaters in your home. That may also have the same effect like direct sunlight would have. Anything heat or sunlight or sunshine can cause the canvas to damage. You want to prevent that as much as possible. All right. So let me try and wear the bag for you. If I carry it right here, this is what it looks like. Although I don't have anything inside, but that is the shape of the bag in full. On the side, the other side, and also right here with the padlock dangling inside. I believe that is everything I need to tell you about this bag. And if you have any further questions, you can please leave them down in the comment section for me. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. As always, I want to say thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I love you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon on my next video. God bless and goodbye.